Let's start with a quick Dollar Tree cleaning hack. I love their cleaning bottles. They have measurements and a great spray function. Pick up one of these wired clothes hangers and put it on any pole that you have, especially if it's in your laundry room. These bottles and all your cleaning implements hang really well there. Your friends and family are going to ask how your house is so clean, organized, and fresh. And I'm going to tell you all the secrets from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be reviewing many of the new Dollar Tree cleaners, like this microwave cleaner that sells for almost $10 at Walmart, as well as this microfiber dusting mitt that's brand new at the Dollar Tree. Let's try the two of these together for one of the nastiest jobs in the kitchen, which is cleaning the microwave. This white interior microwave had lots of baked on food, so it was a great opportunity to test this Angry Mama microwave cleaner dupe from the Dollar Tree. This is made of 3 separate plastic pieces. You're going to want to remove the hair and the face. The body has markers on it where to pour the vinegar and then where to pour the water. Once you've put this back together, you simply place it in the center of the microwave, and I put the timer to 6 minutes. It varies depending on the wattage of your microwave. I guess the fun concept here is that this little angry mama is so angry that steam is coming out the top of her head, or maybe she's having a hot flash. I don't know. Now the mitt, I am definitely giving 5 stars. I usually butt my fingers or ruin my fingernails. The Angry Mama, I think, is the same concept I've just used with a cup of vinegar and water. So it's just a fun little tool to have to clean, but not really necessary. However, the microfiber gloves are a game changer. And as you can see, they did a wonderful job cleaning the space. Dollar Tree sells a small version of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, 8.6 cents an ounce at Dollar Tree, 8.5 cents an ounce at Walmart. If you stumble onto these Brillo scrub gloves, I always try to snap up a couple pairs because they are longer than normal scrubbing gloves and they're much cheaper at Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the lemon sunflower scent, and I'm giving it 4 stars just because it is a chemical cleaner. Can we talk a minute about all the new cleaning devices in the Dollar Tree Plus section? I counted 5 or 6 different types of mops, each $5 a piece, and I am going to show you one and give you my review. They also are carrying this really nice separated mopping bucket. And they're also giving us a really sturdy cleaning rack to store all these tools. I decided to show you the squeeze and fill mop, and make sure that you know all the mop heads from the $1.25 section are interchangeable, so you don't need to spend $2 or $3 on the mop heads that say they go with it. Now, let me start by saying that this chamber is extremely small, so it's probably enough to clean one small to medium-sized room. The mop head did swivel very nicely, so I was able to get underneath all my appliances without any trouble. My friends, I am doing this demonstration so you don't have to. There were 2 large surfaces on either side that were completely dry. Now for $5, I'd rather spend a little more and get a higher quality mop like this Bona mop system that I use and love all the time. In addition, the Dollar Tree mop pole just didn't feel as sturdy as I would like it to. And if I'm going to go to the trouble of cleaning my kitchen floor, I want to make sure it's really clean. Now, if you watched a couple episodes ago, you saw me put together this rolling cleaning cart. So I'm going to show you the new Dollar Tree cleaning hacks that are making it onto my new cart. Dollar Tree brand borax powder is actually a little bit less expensive than the 20 Mule Team borax. Now, if you've used this product, you know that it's extremely versatile. I like to clean this curtain by the back door where I let Bella in and out. And borax is what's called a laundry booster. It makes your laundry soap even more effective. If you're not a fan of using bleach to clean your fabrics, then borax is the answer. I'm giving 5 stars to these new Dollar Tree whole house air freshener. The island fruit was especially pleasant, but the freesia and bluebell was a little too strong. Dollar Tree home cleaners can be very overwhelming because there are so many of them. It's hard to know which ones we need to buy and are effective and those we should pass on. I love the scrub-free window cleaner. It is a total dupe for Sprayway. However, the oven cleaner is extremely strong and I would not recommend that. We also have a dupe in this bathroom cleaner that turns blue and then white to let you know when it's finished cleaning. It is a dupe for this best-selling OxyClean and costs so much less. I absolutely love the smell of this new Bermuda Blue Citrus line of Dollar Tree fabric cleaners. But it was the opposite with these next two. I mean, not just a neutral smell, but a really bad smell. So pass on the Nordic and the Home Bright fabric washes. I was looking for a Dollar Tree cleaning solution for the calcium deposits in my toilet bowl. So I decided to try this Works cleaner from Dollar Tree to see if it was comparable to the Lysol gel. The Dollar Tree toilet cleaner comes out blue and it smells clean, but that's about the end of the comparison. There was no cling or gel to make it an effective toilet bowl cleaner. Dollar Tree sells a coffee machine cleaning fluid, but I just use vinegar and water. I pour about a cup of vinegar into my coffee pot and fill the rest up with water. Run the first pot with the vinegar and water solution and then follow it up with 2 pots of plain water. This hot vinegar and water rinse makes a great cleaner for your stainless steel sink. I first used that borax powder as a cleaning agent and an astringent for the sink, and you're going to want to make sure that you wear gloves with this. Borax should not touch your skin. Once you've scrubbed it clean, you can follow up with that hot vinegar water as a rinse, and it will make your sink sparkle. Over the years, you all have given me a lot of opinions on microfiber cloths. Some of you love them, some of you do not love them, and many of you have your favorites. Today, I'm testing a Dollar Tree microfiber cloth next to a Walmart microfiber cloth. I've learned that professional cleaners use this trick to make sinks and stainless steel look really clean, and that is to buff out those water spots after they're completely clean. Well, I'm sorry to say that there was a huge difference between these two towels, and the Dollar Tree towel was definitely inferior to the Walmart towel. If you liked this episode and you want even more cleaning inspiration, check out this video next. And whatever is going on with you today, my friend, do not forget, today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.